Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best full-face snorkeling masks for adults available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've ranked them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated prices, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the G2 Rise Full Face Snorkel Mask. This is our budget option, and it packs a surprising amount of value for its price of just $23.78. The mask features a dual vent system and separate air circuits that provide natural breathing through both your nose and mouth. It's designed to be beginner-friendly, making it ideal for casual snorkelers who want an effortless underwater experience. In terms of design, the G2 Rise mask offers a curved lens that gives you an unobstructed 180-degree panoramic view. This design works well for surface snorkeling, although it's not intended for freediving. The detachable camera mount is a great bonus for capturing underwater adventures, and the hypoallergenic silicone skirt ensures a snug fit to prevent leaks. However, the plastic build is not as robust as some pricier options, so durability might be a concern for frequent use. Overall, the G2 Rise mask is perfect for first-time snorkelers or those on a tight budget. While it lacks advanced features like enhanced air circulation systems, it gets the basics right: anti-fog performance, a secure fit, and ease of use. Pros include affordability, beginner-friendly design, and a wide panoramic view. The downside? It's not the best option for more serious snorkeling enthusiasts looking for premium materials or long-term durability. Coming in at number 4 is the Great Ever Full Face Snorkel Mask. Priced at $27.98, this mask delivers excellent performance and safety features, making it a solid mid-range option. The standout feature here is the 3 independent air channels that ensure fresh air circulation while reducing the risk of CO2 reinhalation. This is a great safety enhancement for snorkelers who plan to spend extended time underwater. Design-wise, the mask sports a flat, clear lens for distortion-free underwater views, and its hypoallergenic silicone skirt ensures a leak-free seal around your face. The detachable camera mount is perfect for capturing your underwater memories, while the foldable design makes it easy to pack for vacations. It also features anti-fog and anti-leak technology, which works well in varying water temperatures. However, some users have noted that the mask may fog slightly in extreme conditions if an anti-fog agent isn't applied. This mask is ideal for casual to intermediate snorkelers who value safety and convenience. Pros include its advanced breathing system, leak-free fit, and distortion-free lens. On the downside, while it's durable, it doesn't quite match the premium feel of more expensive models, and its anti-fog performance might need an occasional boost with external products. At number 3, we have the Snorkelix Full Face Snorkel Mask. This mask comes in at $35.98 and offers a host of impressive features that justify its slightly higher price point. The dual float ball design is a standout feature, ensuring the breathing tube remains dry by using gravity and buoyancy. This design doubles the available oxygen intake, making it suitable for longer snorkeling sessions. The mask features a 180-degree panoramic view with clear flat lenses, providing distortion-free underwater visuals. Its silicone construction delivers a professional-grade anti-fog and anti-leak experience, making it one of the most reliable masks for both safety and comfort. The 4 upgraded breathing tablets in the air chamber enhance airflow and eliminate CO2 buildup, reducing dizziness and offering a fresher snorkeling experience. The Snorkelix mask is ideal for snorkelers who want a balance of high-end features and affordability. Pros include its advanced breathing system, superior anti-fog performance, and a comfortable silicone fit. The cons? It's slightly bulkier than other models, which might make it less portable for frequent travelers. Coming in at number 2 is the Great Ever G2 Full Face Snorkel Mask, priced at $31.95. This mask is an upgrade from the great ever model we saw earlier, offering enhanced features for a slightly higher price. The G2 dry top system is a game changer. With a larger snorkel diameter and a 2-channel exhaust valve that maximizes airflow and comfort during use. Its flat PU resin lens ensures distortion-free visuals, reducing underwater dizziness, a common issue with curved lenses. The mask's dual-pane design creates an insulating air layer to minimize fogging, while the hypoallergenic silicone skirt delivers a secure, leak-free seal. The detachable camera mount is perfect for adventure seekers wanting to document their snorkeling experiences. This mask is ideal for intermediate snorkelers who want advanced air circulation and anti-fog technology without breaking the bank. Pros include its innovative dry top system, panoramic view, and robust build quality. However, some users may find it slightly heavier compared to other options, which could be a drawback for extended wear. Finally, at number 1, we have the HydroView Full Face Snorkel Mask. This is our premium option, priced at $39.98, and it truly delivers on quality and performance. The dual float ball design ensures the breathing tube stays dry at all times, while the 4 breathing tablets in the air chamber eliminate CO2 buildup for safe, long snorkeling sessions. The mask features a 180-degree panoramic view with flat-tempered glass lenses that provide crystal-clear underwater visuals without distortion or dizziness. Its silicone construction fully wraps the mask to prevent leaks, and the anti-fog design works exceptionally well in various water conditions. The detachable camera mount is the cherry on top, allowing you to capture stunning underwater footage. This mask is perfect for serious snorkelers who want top-tier features and durability. Pros include excellent air circulation, unmatched anti-fog and anti-leak performance, and premium build quality. The only con is the higher price tag, but for those who want the best in the market, it's a worthwhile investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.